Hey guys, how's it going? This video is for Crystal. Crystal asked if there were any ideas, if I had any ideas to help her. She's in a mom bun rut, guys. So if any of you are in a mom bun rut or a top knot rut or a ponytail rut, watch on. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a couple of just like easy, fun, doable things to change it up. But first I have two questions for you. One, are you in the rut because you need to be in the rut, or are you in the rut because you are in a habit and you don't feel like doing something different? Okay. Two, are you putting your hair up all the time because you really need to, or because you don't like the way it looks when it's down? Haircut. Okay, so just ask yourself those questions. Okay, so if I were to put my hair up all the time, I would be severely bored. So if I do want to put my hair up, these are the things that I do. So for a while, I was doing a like diagonal side braid that would come down the side. So I would start up back here, and I would do a French braid on the back of my head, and then, transition to a regular braid down the side. Sometimes if my hair is long enough, I would just let it ride. A lot of times my hair wasn't long enough where the braid just didn't really look that good. So then I would take that braid and I would like tuck it under. I would not part my bangs like this in the middle and look like a prairie girl. I would probably, if I had bangs, I would like just pin them out of the way and make it a little more chic, pull some stuff down. You know, you gotta work it. Probably deep side part would work really well for that. So think about, if you're putting your hair up all the time and you're bored, think about the silhouette that you're creating. And I feel like I don't do a lot of low things, but that is one. The braid, that little updo. I also do like half up too. Like that's real. Crystal, I know you do that too. But that's a good option. And you can leave like a little something down in front of your ear. You can put it up, you can put it low. I actually wore my hair today. Hold up. Wait. I wore my hair like this today with like bobby pins and like a little bit of volume. It's pretty cute. Okay, so moving right along. Accessories. If you're wearing your hair up all the time and you're just going to wear your hair up all the time, then you're gonna need to invest in some accessories. And you don't need to invest a lot. I have like 20 million headbands that I bought from forever21.com online. And they're all different, and they're all amazing, and they're all like $4, people. So do that. And then the cool thing is you get to like really suit it to your mood. So if you're putting your hair in a top knot all the time, it's kind of like you're putting the same thing out there to the world, right? But if you are using hair accessories when you're putting your hair up, you get to be something different. You get to portray a different side of yourself. You get to put something different out into the world. You can be like, all cutesy and like, oh, just doing the thing, and I'm just gonna run to the store real quick, guys. I'll be right back. I'm so cute. Works really well with the red lips. Right? One mood. Some days you just need to wear like perforated leather and just get on with life. You know what I mean? And just say, screw you, get out of my way, I'm coming through. And I'm telling you guys, it helps. It does. Like, I use clothing and accessories to cope with life, and it's an illusion perhaps, but so is when you look good, you feel good, but it's like true at the same time. So see, that works really well with a low pony, I feel like. So fun and sassy. And then something I do a lot too, so if I were to wear this, I would pull out some of the hair and I would like let it be fuzzy, let it be fuzzy and textured and give it more of that like magazine editorial vibe, because it just creates a little softness, and like I think all of a sudden that's so much cooler. So there are some good ideas. So headbands and being able to express yourself in that way I mean, you're gonna switch up the way it looks, you're gonna switch up the way you feel about it, and it's like one more thing, like one more way to put how you're feeling out into the world, or what you want to be feeling, right? Sometimes you're like putting a badass vibe out because you don't feel like a badass and you just like need that push. So that's how I view it. So those are some good things. Another route of accessory is, this requires you to actually, here, put your hair up in a bun first. Ooh, I've got a good one. Here, I'm gonna stick one more fabric accessory. Okay, so silk scarves. Do you guys have any random silk scarves or random strips of any kind of fabric that you like? Get that bad boy. And no, I'm not going to say tie a giant bow on the top of your head, but you could do that too, and I would not make fun of you at all. So tie it in the middle if your hair is like short to medium. If it's long, you can go ahead and like tie it down here and give yourself the whole strand to work with. So tie it, wrap, heyo. Okay, can you see what's happening? I'm twisting the fabric into my hair, and I'm gonna hang from the ceiling. Psych. And then I'm gonna twist it around like so. So this is cool. Like, I think if you did this, something like this, and you did, I mean, you can just use bobby pins for that. It's real life. I just cut mad layers in my hair, so that's what I get. What was I saying? So I think this is actually kind of cool. This is like a satiny, like cool material. So it's kind of like chic, right? Or, you know, you could pull out any type of fabric, you know, like you could use something textured, you could use something silky, you could use a color with high contrast with your hair, or something lower contrast like this. And you're just gonna tuck it under with bobby pins and secure it like you would secure a bun. But I think that's really cool. If I were to do that, I actually probably would pull my bangs out and do like all the face frame goodness, and then this like juicy, cool textured fabric bun. That would be cool. That would be like a really fun going out bun, actually. Or one more thing, metal hair accessories, and I get those from Chloe and Isabel, and I have a little link store on my website, jennybrady.com, has all these bun cuffs, like so many different kinds. It's radical. And then they have little hair baubles too, which is like the two little balls with the elastic in the middle. God, those are so freaking fun. So like, that's super cool. Boom. Follow me. Tell me what you want to see. Love you guys. Hope you got inspired.